All right, YouTube, what we have right here is the Moment lens from a company called Moment. And so I bought this lens just for my iPhone to be able to expand the width, so to get wider shots with my iPhone. Bought it for photography purposes, some videography purposes. But this right here, all I'm doing is an unboxing, and just got this package. I think I paid a total of $134 or something like that. So I bought the lens, and then in order to use the lens, you have to have one of their cases. So I bought a case to go with it, and so I bought it to go along with my iPhone 8 Plus. So yeah, we'll get into this unboxing right now. So here we go. There we go. And off top, the case looks pretty smooth. The box, it comes with the, there we go. Here's the case that goes along with it. So they sent me an email and told me that I've purchased the iPhone 8 Plus case, but the package will say the 7 Plus, but it fits on the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus. So here we go with that. So let's open this box up with this lens. Let's see. Okay, so they give you some papers. I guess this is a paper of some shots that somebody has taken previously with their iPhone and the lens. Here's the lens itself, and like people say, it is pretty heavy, feels pretty solid. I don't know if you can really see. 18 millimeter. So they give you that lens that goes with it. Then they give you this bag with the lens cap. And it fits on there pretty good. So yeah. Put that in there. Here's the bag that goes with it. All right, so now let's take this and let's try it out on this on my iPhone 8 Plus. So first I'm gonna remove the case. This old case. All right. Get this thing in there pretty good. All right. There we go. Let's get lost. And this is inside they send this to you. Guess it's like previous shots. And I guess this is a shot with the wide lens. So yeah, case feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and slide this phone in here. Fits pretty good. Like the wood look on the back right here. So let's go and get this lens on here and see what it does. They say it's pretty easy. You just line up the line here. I don't know if you can see that, but line up this line with this line. Put it on, and you twist, and that's it. And pop the cap off, and good to go. So pretty much here's what we're looking at. This is the phone, and it has the lens on it. It is pretty heavy, but it's not like super heavy. It just feels like something that you could get out here and shoot. Feels real solid. The setup feels real solid. And but yeah, so I will be back with a little footage and just be able to show you what it looks like with the lens and without the lens. All right.